Hello and welcome to today's video where we're looking at an awesome method for earning online. And as always, here's the cool thing with this method. I'm going to share with you proof that this works. I'll also share with you how you can do this yourself today for free. And towards the end of the video, I'm going to share with you a resource which will speed up the entire process. Now, this method is all based around, let me dive over here and I'll show you this. So this is an article over on Make It. Now this here we can see 24-year-old barista's side hustle earns 9 grand a month, which is insane, more than her full-time job, and it only takes 8 hours a week. So the method we are looking at today is about taking your existing knowledge, your skills, your interests and your hobbies. Once we've decided on them, we can move forward. So this person went with their knowledge basically. Now if I scroll down here, I'll show you exactly what this is. So if I come down here, let's keep just going down. Look, she earns 9 grand a month. Come further down here. So the person's 24 years old and she posts on TikTok, Instagram, on YouTube, okay? And how she earns money is from ads, branding deals, and merchandise sales. It takes 8 hours per week and it's far more lucrative than her normal job, okay? And it's crazy. So what did this person do? Well, literally, I'll show you now. So we'll go over to her TikTok account. So she decided on her knowledge to share, but you don't have to do knowledge. It can be interests, skills, hobbies, something you're maybe good at. Then, if I scroll down here, you can see she's sharing these short form video clips about being a coffee barista and, you know, sharing her skills and other bits, okay? And she's monetizing in a number of ways. And anyone can do this in any category. Even if you have no knowledge or skills, but you're interested in something, you can use this method to make money online, okay? And I'm not going to say you will earn 8 grand a month. You could earn a lot more than that. You could also earn a lot more. It depends on your niche that you're going to. It depends how consistent you are with this method. But who would have thought someone sharing videos on TikTok about being a coffee barista and sharing, you know, different pointers and, you know, these like little meme videos, if you want to call them that, would have 6 million followers and be earning 8 grand a month. Insane, okay? So how can you do this yourself and how can you make money with this? Really straightforward. Number one, decide on a category or a niche. Then once we've done that, so let me come over here and I'll give you an example of this. So I'm just using, what am I using here? I'm using ClickBank for this example, okay? So if I come on here, I'm just going to click on all. See all these categories here? These are known as niches or niches if you're from America. Now down here, you can find products around anything to do with, you know, any of these here. So if you, let's say you had a particular interest in, let's go to, I don't know, cooking as an example, okay? So you started wanting or started creating videos about cooking over on TikTok, okay? Then what you can do is you start posting your content, and over here, I'll show you this now. You see here, this person has a link. So here, if I click on here, it's going to take me over to, let's see what it's going to take me over to. So it's taking me over to this over here. Is this an affiliate link? Let's have a look. It looks like I'm going to a website. So you see up here, source influencer. So it's sending me over to this website. This is a tracking link. So she's being paid for sending people over to this website over here. And I'm guessing if I was to go ahead and purchase anything on here, then she will be earning an affiliate commission, okay? Pretty straightforward and simple. So let's go over to ClickBank and let's break this down. So we're going to create videos around cooking as an example, okay? Now I can see there's all of these different products on here and I can earn, you can see on the right hand side, average commission. So we'd literally go ahead, let's just go with this one, keto breads, desserts. I'm going to click on here, it opens up into a new tab. So this is the sales page. I'm going to see all the information about this. It's a relatively decent looking sales page, okay? So if I come over here now, I can see there's an upsell flow to this. It's a physical product. It's a one-time payment. So if I click on affiliate page, I can go over here. And I can see, look, they've got keto breads, keto desserts, this one over here, other things as well. Look, amount you can earn, visitors, etc. Okay? Scroll further on, look, they've even given you emails that you can use in this, images that you could use. Because guess what, okay? If you don't want to be on camera or even talk yourself, you don't have to. You could literally just go over onto, let's see if someone's doing this. In fact, let's go over here. I'm going to let's just type in keto recipes, like so. I'm going to click on videos. So we can see here, no one's in this one over here. Let's just click on top. Let's click on accounts as well, see about different accounts. Okay, look, simple keto recipe. I mean, blimey, 475,000 followers. What's this say here? Get your free. What's that? Let's open this up and look at this really quickly. Where's it sending me to? It's sending me over to this. So look, get a cookbook. I'm giving this away. So let's just click on, what's this? Copies. Come down here. This is it. So basically, they're sending me over to this over here. And look, you see this up here? Look, AF. Where it says AF there, that's affiliate equals the divine space. So again, is this a ClickBank product? It looks like it. So let's scroll down and have a look all the way to the bottom. Come up here. Is this a ClickBank product? It looks like one to me. Let me click on here. Yeah, it's a ClickBank product. Okay, so as you can see here, anyone can do this in any category, in any niche. It's really simple. Decide on a category or a niche. Then we go ahead and we find products that we can become an affiliate for, and we find products like this. Once we've got these, we want to promote them. We click on promote, and then I'm just going to click on generate hop link. That down there is my long, ugly link, okay? So instead of me having that long, ugly link there, what we can do, similar to what this person has done over here, you can create a free account over on a platform like Linktree. It's absolutely free. I'll show you mine right now. So if I come over here and I go to linktree.nottaughtatschool, let me go to, oh, why is that not right? Let me try that again. Link, there we go. Go to this one. This is mine. So you can see, look, this is my Linktree, okay? And I'll show you how it looks on the inside with this now, because again, it's free. It's simple and it's easy. So I'm going to go over to Linktree and I am going to very quickly log into here so you can see this. So let's go and log in, and we're just going to log in. But again, if you don't have a Linktree account, just create one. They do have a paid option. You don't need the paid option. Absolutely not. I mean, even now, I still use the free one because I don't need to pay $10 a month for a paid one. So we come over here, we create an account for free. So over here on the right hand side is how it will actually look online. And it's really simple to do this. So you can see at this moment in time, I've currently got 3 links on here. And you can look, I can drag it around. So if I wanted that one to go there, it goes over there. And in a second, it will change over here. So you can see it's changed where it was. Now, when you're doing this, all you do is you click on add a link, like so. And then you would give that link a name up here. So in this example, you would put in keto bread, keto, whatever you want it to be, basically, you would put that in here. Then this here is the link. So you put the link to the products that you're promoting underneath the title. And once you've pasted that in, it will look like this. Okay, so it's really straightforward. You don't need to shorten links or anything. But what happens here is over on TikTok, once you've got past 1,000 followers, you can go ahead and put a link in like this one down here. Okay, now before you get to that point, you can actually type in your link in here. It just won't be clickable. But what you need to be doing is including a call to action at the end of your videos. Okay, so directing people over to the link in your bio, or you can even comment it in a video. Then what happens is, once you've set this up using Linktree for free, people come over here, they'll land on your page. So like we've seen over here, people are landing on here, and you can see, look, get your free keep sub up, getting this or whatever. When someone clicks on here, it sends them over to, like it's doing here, it sends them over to the sales page. So like this one here, again, we can see, look, affiliate, this is the affiliate, and this example here is over on Digistore 24. So if I was to go ahead and get this product, I mean, what's happening here is they're giving me this completely for free. So 21 healthy recipes. So I download this, and if I want to download this, watch what happens. They need my email. Okay, so if I put my email in, what will happen is this product over here, the company or the owner of this product will start emailing me about their paid product. Okay, so that is essentially email marketing. But this is the concept of what this person over here is doing, and it's the same concept as what this lady over here is doing, taking her knowledge and skills, creating short form video, putting it onto TikTok with a link in her bio over to an affiliate product. It can be your own product. It could be a physical product. You could send people over to Amazon, Etsy, eBay. You can send the traffic wherever you like, but it's simple, it's straightforward, and it's free. So we know how to go ahead and get an affiliate link. Now, in terms of creating your video, you can do it in a number of ways. You can just pull out your phone and start, can you see that? You can just take, I don't know why you're there. You can pull out your phone and start creating videos that way. You could use free software like Canva. So if we go over here to Canva, we simply come in here and we type in TikTok video, and it's awesome because it's free. So we come over here, you can see, look, how many look, all of these here are video templates, 2,000, nearly 2,500 video templates. And all you do on here is you pick a template you like the look of, and then you edit that actual template, okay? But remember, it's a template, okay? So we'll go into any, doesn't matter, I'm just going to use this one. And let's continue with the theme of doing keto. So over here on the left hand side, we've got all these different elements. So I can type in keto. Let's see what comes up for keto. So we've got, let's go with videos. So look, keto videos. All of these here, keep scrolling down. All of these. Keep going. And there's lots and lots that you can do inside of here, okay? And in terms of the videos, what you can do is you can use it like this. So your video would be in the background with some text on the top. You can have different elements on the top of this. So we could add, let me remove this. So let's just say we want this video over here, okay? So I'm going to click on here and it goes over here. Then I'm going to come over here and I am going to use this as background. So that there would be my background video. And then we've just got our text here, so you can have your text on the top. If I come over to, let's go back over here, let's go to graphics. We've got different keto graphics that we can include on here as well. Now, if we scroll down here, you'll notice it where it says Pro, this is with the paid version of Canva. So when you are looking for different elements, you don't want the Pro version over here, okay? So if you can't find anything you like the look of in graphics, you could just type in meat or something like that, okay? And we'll go yes, and then look, these are all free, so you can add these and put these over on your video. You can also come over on the left hand side and you can add in different text. You've got different styles of text that you can use on here, and all you do is if you like something over here like this, you click on here and it will go over onto your page like this. There's lots of things you can do with this, okay? But basically you just play around with this. Once you're happy with this, you can preview it. So you can click on the play button and it will show you how it looks. So if you want to move elements around and change it, you can do. But once you're happy with it, you just come up to share, come down to where it says download, and you download this as a video. So you've got an affiliate product, you've got a landing page where you're sending the traffic to, and you've also got your videos. So this can all be done without you even being on camera or talking. It's straightforward, simple, and easy. Now, I said to you I'd also share a resource, so I will drop a link to this resource down below for you, and it is this one over here. This is $1, by the way, okay? It's called 15-second free leads. You can see get everything for $1. What's included in this? Well, basically, it's a full training course showing you how to go ahead and grow on TikTok, but using it with affiliate marketing. And inside of here, look, we've got part 1. I think it's from memory, it was 5 parts. So this is part 1. This is creating video topics. Part 2 is going over the TikTok profile. Then we've got this one here, get TikTok to share your videos. Scroll further down, post exactly what your audience wants. Part 5, TikTok for technophobes, okay? So you get all of that in there for $1. It's awesome. And inside of every one of these 5 parts, they're all video courses. So it's showing you over the shoulder. And these people down here, they're using TikTok in their own businesses to drive traffic, okay? And for $1, you won't find a better resource online to learn about TikTok, to grow on TikTok, especially with affiliate marketing. So I'll drop a link to that down below for you. But yeah, that is pretty much today's video. It is using free resources. So TikTok is free. Canva is free. The other element that Canva was free, and also Linktree, I forgot what it was. Linktree is also free. You could take this a step further and start looking at things like affiliate marketing and using email or an email automation sequence and sending people over to an autoresponder like GetResponse or things like that. And again, that's absolutely free. But look, that is today's video. So I'll put links to Canva, the Etsy course, the TikTok course, and the article that we have looked at today. But I mean, as another example, so like going back over here to where's it gone? The person who we looked at originally, where's it gone? This one here, 9 grand a month, and she's spending 8 hours a week on this. It's awesome. As usual, just takes a bit of time and effort. So that's today's video. If you've got any questions, leave them down below. But thanks for watching, and I shall see you soon.